What is going on, guys? Living life with Rick and Jerry. I'm back here with I don't know if you remember, I made a video about this a year ago, and I'm kind of just getting to it now. Again, this is the Midea MAW05R1WBL. BL standing for black. And if you have the WH, I believe it's the white one. This is the Midea that has the issue with the fan or the screen not wanting to come out. As you can see, mine is trapped again, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix that real quick. So all we got to do is we're going to have to unscrew this guy here, and this whole front panel, I believe, should just come off. Not believe, but I know that it comes off. So essentially, we're just going to unscrew it from here. And let's go to the other side. You can use a regular screwdriver, you don't have to use a drill. Alright, got this side off. There are some little clear washers in there, so just be careful. Next thing we do is just gonna try to pop this up a little bit. So just grab it from here, just pop it up, and then you should be able to slide this thing out of here. So the reason why this thing gets stuck, okay? The reason why it gets stuck is that there is this zip tie right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. See that little white thing right there? That little screwball prevents the AC filter from sliding out, okay? I stopped using this AC because we moved. We are in a whole new house. And well, this whole new house, we have vertical windows, so we can't really use this AC, but I am gonna install it on a vertical window, and I'll show you guys sort of my process of what I've done to install it. But yeah, this is just the video so you can see what's going on with the with that filter thing. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. All right, so once you guys prop it this side, okay, grab it on this side, do the same thing and pull it up. You don't need to pull it all the way off, just that much. And we're gonna see. So, oh man, it's not even the zip tie. The whole thing here is just so big that it's preventing it from sliding out. I guess the fix is lift it up, okay, from both sides. Okay, this whole thing should come up, and then make sure to push this as far back as possible. Make sure that you have it disconnected, okay? Don't have it connected to your wall, please. And then just make sure it's seated all the way down, and I think that should help you with your issue if you're having the filter that doesn't want to come out, because see how close it is to this thing. So I think that's what's happening. But anyways, yeah, that's the fix to fix your air conditioner, your Midea, in case you're having a filter that doesn't want to come out. That's the fix. Just slide it. Yeah, you can see it's hitting as I'm sliding it in, but pushing that little extra in there prevents it from getting stuck again. Alright guys, so I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys like it, hit the like button. Sorry it took so long to make a video. It's just we moved. It's been hectic around here, and at least I have a little area where I can work on all my little projects. So yeah guys, so again, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to Living Life with Rick and Jerry, and we will continue to make videos. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.